Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's BURBEERRYBRITT here. I know it's been a minute, but this video is going to be about Tinashe's hair and how I achieved this hair color. So if you're interested in how I got this hair color and what I think about the hair, stay tuned. So let's give you the specs. So the frontal is 18 inches and the bundles are 20 inches. And so I got this hair about a month ago. The color that I got was the 613. I decided to go with 613 because I didn't want to do the process of like bleaching black hair and then dyeing it and tinting and whatever. I was just like, no, that's a lot of work. So let me just get blonde. And so I did my research. 613 hair, per other people's like videos, they were like, okay, it's delicate, there's like shedding a little, and you just have to work with it a little bit more gentler than you normally would with like black hair. And so while I was sewing the hair, I did notice like shedding, but because I researched, I wasn't shook, I wasn't scared. I was like, okay, they said shedding was gonna happen, and it's not like I was getting balls of hair. I was getting like 3 strands, like if I was sewing, and then I did cut the weft, but I did the fold over for like half of the hair. Yeah, so let's get to the color. So for the roots, I used Ion 7A medium ash brown. I decided to go with this color because I didn't want black roots, and I feel like if you're doing blonde, black roots is a little harsh. It's like hella harsh on blonde hair. And I took forever trying to like figure that out, like what color I wanted, but I'm so glad I made the right decision. It like blends so smoothly with the hair. So I did the roots on the hair first, and I tinted the lace with its tan dye because the frontal was like white. The scalp was not natural at all, so I was like, I can't have that. Like if I want to part, I don't want to see like white scalp. So I tinted it like 2 times, and it took, and then, but this is how I did it. I first did the roots. I colored the roots first, washed out the hair, and then proceeded to tint the lace. I didn't bleach the knots, it wasn't necessary. I did tweeze that frontal, but the frontal like already comes like kind of like pre-pluckish, kind of, not really, but it wasn't like there's like a lot of hair on the frontal that you would have to like be tweezing a whole bunch. No, there was none of that. So the tweezing process was like simple and straight to the point. But let me tell you guys, I dyed the hair, I dyed the bundles first, Wella Charm toner, which was T35, and that's beige. That's, well, so I got 2 bottles of that and 2 bottles of T18. So I had 4 bottles of Wella Charm toner, and then I dyed the bundles first with T18 Wella Charm, and that is like pale ash blonde. Let me see. That's the lightest ash blonde. So the horror story with that, it was way too silver. I did not want that at all. And then I first saturated the hair, the back of the hair, the bundles, not the frontal. I first saturated the back of the hair with T18 and then went on to apply T35 over it, washed it. The hair was beige at the front, purple in the back. I was like, what are you doing? I don't want silver. Silver is not the gold. I'm looking for beige. Honey ash beige blonde-ish vibes. I panicked a little, but I quickly went on Google because Google is your best friend, and YouTube. Google and YouTube are my best friends. So I watched a couple of videos, and they were like, if you overtoned your hair, you just need to mix 3 parts of lemon juice and 2 parts of conditioner. And so I did that throughout the hair, and it stripped the hair of its toner. So I was like, okay, after I strip the hair, I'm just gonna go and just saturate the hair with 2 boxes of the T35. Did keep the toner on for about 20 minutes because like the whole thing, it took 20 minutes to for me to like 15 to 20 minutes for me to saturate the hair, and then probably like 5 minutes later after that I washed it off because I was like, I don't even really know how long I'm supposed to leave this toner on. I used a 30 developer. Oh my gosh, I used a 30, yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. And you're supposed to use 20 developer, but I didn't have that on hand, so I went with the one I had on hand. Yeah, so I saturated the hair with T35 beige toner with the 30 developer, and this is how the hair turned out. And as I was washing the hair, I was like, oh my god, it's still purple, it's still purple. But I kept washing it, and this is the results of that of the hair. What I will also say is when I did go in with the T18 at first and the T35, I washed it with Shimmer Lights Purple, and that's why I feel like I messed up. You don't need to do all that because the hair is like already really light. I think you only need this if you're like bleaching black hair, because the hair is already light. Like, what are you doing, sis? You don't need to add more purple to make it more toner. No, it's fine. So I would just say wash your hair. If you decide to do this hairstyle, wash it just with regular shampoo and conditioner. And I will also say that after I toned the hair, I also put it in a Ziploc bag with conditioner and warmed it in the microwave for I think like a minute or whatever. And yeah, shedding, but not a lot. Like, there was no shedding. Okay, there's a strand right here, but I'm fine with it because they already told me that this hair is kind of like, you know, sensitive, and it's fine. I don't really mind it. Tinashe has yet to fail me, and I'm just in love with how this hair turned out. I don't know if you guys need a close-up. Maybe you do. This is 20 inches, and I feel like, you know, 20 inches is like a really good length. And then I think, so yeah, this is how the hair looks like at the back. Besides the shedding, there's like no tangling. It's so soft. It's so like bouncy. And actually, this is my second time wearing this hair. I wore it on Saturday for a couple hours, and now I'm wearing it again to film this video. And yeah, I love it. Like, I have threats. Like, people want to steal this hair in the middle of the night. You know who you are. My mom's like, I need this hair, we're gonna share it. Like, no, we're not. But yeah, I love this hair, guys. I'm so excited that I did this. I can't wait to do more. Any requests, any questions, anything that I left out, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Love y'all. Toodles. So, breakfast at Tiffany's, anyone?